Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how you can log into your Groupon account using the Groupon mobile application. So let's get started. First of all, open up Groupon application on your device and from the home page go to My Stuff at the bottom right. Now you will see a sign in or sign up option at the top. Tap on it. On the next page, you will be presented with the sign-in interface. Type down your email address or password associated with Groupon account. If you've previously signed in using Facebook, Google, or Apple, you can sign in with them by choosing from the bottom of the screen. Since I signed up with email, I'm gonna have to type in the email and password. Write down your email address associated with Groupon and then type down your password in the password box. Finally, click on Sign in with Groupon. And right after you do that, you will then be able to log in to Groupon using your correct credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.